This is pork butt. Now, what is pork butt, you may ask? That's a good question. Are we actually cooking pig ass? Well, no. Pork butt got its name in New England, where Boston butchers used to cut this meat and put it into a barrel called a butt, hence the term Boston butt. So Boston is responsible for this whole confusion of what an actual pork butt is, because a pork butt is actually pork shoulder, okay? That's what it is. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's a pork shoulder. So we're going to prepare this, put it on the grill and smoke it, and make it what we commonly call pulled pork. Anyway, let's get started today on the Smoke Show. So this is a boneless pork shoulder. You can get them bone in or bone out. It really doesn't matter. It just depends on what you want to do with the cook. I have found out in the past there is absolutely no difference in the end result of whether you have bone in or bone out. It all turns out the same. So here we go. I'm going to start with cross-hatching the fat cap, and it's just shallow cuts across the fat cap. You don't have to overdo it. There's not a lot of fat on this one, and I'm going to lightly score the meat on top as well, just to help get some of that flavor down on the interior. Next, we're going to inject this. I've made a concoction. That's the official word for it, concoction. This is a half a stick of butter, a few shakes of liquid smoke, a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and the rest is about a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an acidic compound that helps break down the muscle tissue in the meat and makes it much more tender. By the way, we're working with an 8-pounder today, so just wanted you to know that. So next we're going to add some mustard as a binder and coat this with the rub of your choice. You can use what you want. Now, what I happen to be doing today is using a combination of 3 different rubs. I'm using Meat Church Texas Sugar and Meat Church Hickory Barbecue, and combined it with Killer Hogs to make one rub across the board. So that's what we're putting on here today. You can use whatever rub is your favorite and whatever profile that you want on the meat. But now on the butts that are already deboned, it may come apart on one side where they remove the bone. You can tie that off to make it more uniform cooked. That's up to you. I've done it before and I've not done it, so it's kind of a whatever thing. So now I'm going to take it outside and put it on the grill with a large smoke tube and a pan of water, and I'm going to cook it at 225 degrees until the internal temperature reaches 175. And then we'll do some more stuff. Come with me. We're gonna set the grill on 225 until that temperature reaches 175 degrees. We'll spritz it a couple of times in the meantime, and we'll get to that here in a second. You're not allowed to make fun of my little rain umbrella. We've been having a drizzle, but I woke up this morning, it's 30 degrees. Guess what? The high today, 30 degrees. So I'm going to put my little heat blanket on there. Just to maintain the heat a little bit better, it's a welding blanket. Putting on spritz. Apple cider vinegar spritz it every hour or so. We're at 175 degrees. We've been smoking for a good while, and now it's time to make a transfer. So I've got an aluminum pan. I'm gonna pull this off the grill, wrap it in aluminum foil, pour some more apple cider vinegar on top, and let it run till about 205 and probe tender. Then we'll be finished. There it is. Yanked it off the grill at 205 degrees. This 8-pounder took about 8.5 hours to cook total. So you can pretty much count on an hour a pound when you do these pork shoulders. I'm still kind of disappointed that they don't call them pork, because who doesn't like a nice piece of every now and then? You're gonna let this cool down? What? So I decided to have a sandwich for dinner. I'm gonna make Tennessee sauce. You've never heard of it? I'll show it to you right now. Mayonnaise, pinch of cayenne, a few shakes of Cholula sauce, and some apple cider vinegar. A little pepper. Well, it's kind of orange. Oh, pardon me. I have some on my mouth. Home run, people. That's it. Pulled pork. Do with it what you want to after that. Have fun. Enjoy it. See you later.